Oh god, this is fucking awesome. Fucking ROCCAT, man. Look at that. I'm gonna type. Look at that. Every time I type, it disappears. Oh my god. Oh yes. I love you now. I know it sounds like a freak. Sorry to scare you. But I'm in love with this bitch. Oh yes. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Today we're gonna be unboxing. Today's unboxing video. We're gonna be unboxing two products. One is the ROCCAT Ryos keyboard. This is a TENKEYLESS keyboard. The switches I went with is browns, Cherry MX browns, and of course I'm gonna redo the unboxing of the ROCCAT TYON gaming mouse. So stay tuned. Let's unbox these bad boys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Okay, we're gonna get this bad boy started. So first, let's start with the wires. TENKEYLESS. So let's open up the boxing. I have my knife right here ready to go. Let's open it up. Come on. Oh, there's something there, that's why. Oh, actually, no, I'll take that back. So it tells you all the good features about it. It's just how crazy, like, for the price you pay for this keyboard, and how crazy amount of features you can get with this keyboard for a really good price point. I'll be honest, I'm really not a fan of going with RGB, not because they're expensive, it's that how often I'm going to be looking at my keyboard, to be honest. So always ROCCAT provide with really amazing packaging and also very good, extremely high quality products that you get from ROCCAT. So I'm going to open up right here on the top very slowly. There's no tape in this, which is not. There we go. Come on. There we go. I got to grab a good grip. Alright, so what's inside? Of course, the keyboard itself. TENKEYLESS. I love the wrist rest of this keyboard already. It looks like it's going to be really comfortable for my hands, which I like it already. Very nice, small, compact keyboard right here. So let's move out this keyboard out of the way and let's make room for this bad boy. So well protected keyboard. Now keep in mind again, this is Cherry MX brown switches. They do have black switches, red switches, and I believe also they have blue switches. So there's everybody's favorite Cherry MX switches where you go with these keyboards. Sure, you have your options, personal preference. I'm more of a fan of the cherries, the Cherry MX reds. Blues I really love; those are still my favorite. But I want to go with the browns, and that sounds really disgusting. But let's ignore that. So, what else it comes with? Nice braided cable. Oh wow! Hold on 1 second. Let me open this. Okay. So wow, this is pretty awesome. I like this already. I like a company like ROCCAT who provides a Velcro sleeving to keep your tie wrap on the cable for the keyboard secure. So you go to a LAN party, you can easily secure this and not worry about. And the best thing about it, you won't lose this thing. So pretty awesome right there. So now keep in mind, this keyboard only lights up in blue. They are coming out with two of the versions of the RGB, the big brother of the Ryos, and then they're gonna come out with the TENKEYLESS Ryos. I don't know if I said it right there, but let's keep on going. They're gonna come out with a TENKEYLESS version. Let me move the camera down here because I don't know why. So they're gonna come out with TENKEYLESS keyboard RGB, and they're coming out with the full-size version of RGB. Now, what I love about the Ryos is how small and roomy I have for the mouse pad, and two, this wrist rest. Holy God, I'm in love. So enough with the talk. Let's plug this thing in. So I'm gonna pause the video again. while I start unplugging this thing to my system. So let's get ready, guys. I kind of freaked out a little bit because I thought only this light up, but as soon as you start freaking typing, holy shit, this is freaking awesome. I'm loving this. Wow. That is, I'm in shock right now. Holy crap. So the whole keyboard can light up. Woo, that is fucking awesome. Wow, I'm like lost the words. I'm like in shock right now. Like I can't believe it. That shocks me already. So let's get ready to unbox the Tyon. So let's stay tuned. So I'm gonna pause the video again. That is crazy. I apologize for the excitement, because I felt with this keyboard, it was like I was a caveman who discovered fire. Like I was like this, like shocked. But or anyway, let's continue to the next one. All right, the ROCCAT TYON. Again, knife, pocket knife. Actually, Swiss Army knife. I see. A little bit of cut here. Give it a nice little cut. Oh yes, cut. Ah, come on, you bitch. Open up. There you go. I did it. Okay. So this is the ROCCAT TYON gaming mouse made for first-person shooters. They are making the MMO version, which is fucking awesome. But I really don't want to go with that anyway. I am perfectly fine with this fine tool of a gaming mouse. I've been liking the C. Ooh, wow. That's what you call quality right here at its finest. So let's take a closer look. Ooh. Yes, I had this mouse before and I was an idiot to return it. Oh, yes. Oh, wow, man. So, it has a lot of fucking buttons. I ain't gonna count. But this comes really handy. Like, I saw the video of ROCCAT when they was announcing how you can utilize and use this feature. Like, you can use this to answer a reload button. I even, like, if I start playing War Thunder, you can easily turn the turret on the tank on that game. Anyway, I believe it's not on that game. I think it's Battlefield 3 or 4. Don't quote me on that one yet. I think, yes, I am right. My bad. Really awesome. I like how it feels, and also it comes in this color or in black, which I want to go with this color because it fits my style more. So let's open this thing up. I mean, not open this thing up, untie this shit, and let's plug this shit to the back of my computer. So let's give it a nice, and of course you can change the color. This is technically, I call this an RGB mouse because it will cycle the colors, and also lights up at the scroll wheel and at the rim of the mouse. So let me plug that in. Give me a second. What is that? Plug that thing in. Plug this thing in. Ooh, yes. It looks gorgeous. Looks beautiful. As you see, it cycles to different colors as you please. And Jesus, I'm almost gonna break my headphones because of this. So it feels nice. As you see, the rim lights up and the scroll wheel lights up. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, I'm loving this. Of course, it has the issue shift button right there, which I'm gonna take that off. But this, oh my god, wow. And very light mouse also. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, comment, subscribe. Be safe. You know what I mean? Be very safe. You know, don't make you stupid, boy. But be safe, guys. Have a good weekend. Wait a minute, today's fucking Monday, moron. Of course I hate Mondays. Anyway, goodbye.